Subscribe to the channel for some awesome Moro vlogs and don't forget to press that bell icon for instant updates.
One eternity later.
So I'm on my way to VIP Road KTM showroom. Apparently I have had an issue while I was actually touring on my motorcycle. The issue what I had was a blown fuse. Now a blown fuse is caused by many things, but in my case it was a loose terminal, and I don't wish to wet my clothes because for no reason. And see this person jaywalking, man. I mean, he's not bothered. He owns the place, man. He owns it. So as I was saying, I blew my fuse twice, the main ignition fuse.
Eventually,
And I came home, I checked. It was the terminal was a little bit loose, but which I thought was okay, fine. You know, I don't think it should cause such problems. But what I found out was, even if the ignition is a little bit loose, there will be a problem. So I'll just take some fuel. You can see this HLU failure. Yes. Now the thing is, what I came to know was that apparently the first service which I did at Ruby Hospital, they told me that my software was updated, my TFT, my headlight software was updated. So since they connected the diagnostic tool and everything, so I was content here, you know, this is an authorized service center. And come on, you are actually putting up a machine, a computer against my bike, so I can actually vouch for that saying that, you know, yeah, you'll actually get this done properly. But apparently what happened was that it wasn't updated, so that was a big bummer. So the guy, when apparently came home to check, he saw that the software was not updated. So when he tried to update the software of the meter, it went well. But as soon as he updated the software of the headlight stopped working. And I had to go and get a replacement done, which I'm actually going right now and getting it done. I had already spoken to the guy that I'm going to come next week and get it done. So these are the small niggles and problems which I feel is very irritating, considering the bike is just done 1465 kilometers. Now it might not sound very irritating for few, but still. See, now this too is a two-way street, but nobody's gonna still follow that. So Jaisa Desh Vaisa Bhes. So I am almost about to reach I'm basically halfway away from the service center, where I'm going to get the bike washed, chain cleaned, get a basic checkup done, and get my headlight changed. The buses won't let you pass even if they can't pass. That's the irony here. As Augie says, it's a freaking jungle out there. There's one thing which I love about powerful bikes is when you're in tight spaces and you want to actually filter, you don't have to shift a gear down, do some crazy mumbo jumbo shit. You just accelerate, then you're out of the trouble, man. That's the best part of having a powerful motorcycle, man. And it's about to rain, and I don't like it when it rains, because apparently the Hero 5 is not waterproof. It is splash proof. So I'm probably 5 minutes away from the KTM showroom. Now out here I'm going to go to a mechanic called Sudeep. He's one of the oldest guys here in Kolkata and knows in and out of motorcycles, especially when it comes to KTMs. And I've chosen him this time so that he can take care of my bike from here onwards, so I do not have any problems before going to Ladakh. I'm going to make him check my motorcycle and all will be good. So I am here at the KTM service center, and this apparently is also the location where Kawasaki is taking care of its motorcycles. So I can go from here itself. Kawasaki.
A few moments later. 2,000 years later.
So I just took a turn from the KTM showroom in VIP, and Sudeep, the mechanic, has taken care of the motorcycle very nicely. I'm very happy with his work. He lubed my chain, cleaned it, adjusted it, changed my headlight which had the issue, took a couple of more problems down which will be taken care of in the future. Basically replacement parts. Nice quick service. So now I am on my way to KTM Park Street. Apparently when I got the motorcycle, I did not get my handguards, so I'm going to go and collect them and get them fitted if possible. These are the congested roads of Kolkata. Damn, the traffic when it rains. The traffic is pathetic, man. भैया थोड़ा सा साइड. Oh God, finally an open road. Thank God my bike is dirty, man. I'm not in pain so much. Oh God, so here I am at the KTM showroom. Oof.
Two hours later.
Chal bye, take care, man. Thanks, man. So I finally finished putting these guards. This is what I put. You can see. This is what was left. The bike is really dirty. They changed my headlight, completely brand new, and I'm about to go home now. What I have realized is it's not bad. I don't know how good it will be when it's cutting wind though, but come on, I've not bought this bike for top speeds, man, so I really can't complain. Oops, sorry. Finally an empty road, man.